Hi guys, in this video I'll tell you how to activate HDFC Forex Card. To do this, simply open any of your Chrome browser or whatever browser you use and go to the next tab and simply enter HDFC Bank and press enter. After that, simply open the first website that comes, and when you open this website, so that will load in front of you, and from here what you can do is you will see this section on the right side, personal banking services. What are you looking for? So simply click on select product type and choose all cards and select product. Simply click on this and choose Forex cards. When you click on it, simply click on apply online. And after that, this tab will open in front of you. So choose your card, multi-currency Forex Plus card or these other two cards or these cards. Simply select any of your card which is your card. So let's say I have this one. So I will simply click on apply now. And when you click on apply now, so this tab will load in front of you, multi-currency Forex card, traveler details, card details, make the payment. And from here you will see this option activate card. So simply click on this option activate card. And here you will see please enter your application reference number. So what is application reference number? That is, you can read down these details. Application reference number start with HFX. These details if you have applied through Buy Forex portal, or application reference number start with this 24 and some more digits if you have applied through HDFC Bank net banking or mobile banking. So simply enter your application reference number or your passport number and click on submit. So when you submit, they will verify your information and activate your Forex card. So that is a simple process.